ain't nothing to it. Boss, ain't nothing to it. Real one.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. I told you I was coming back with another one, and today's tutorial is featuring Eullair. Don't get me wrong, when I be pronouncing stuff wrong, but today it's featuring them, and it's this blonde, luscious bombshell hair that I have in my head. So we made a ponytail out of this, and it came out so bomb. But I don't want to keep talking in this video. It's going to be really quick. So if you want to see how I achieve this blonde bombshell hair tutorial, which is a ponytail and this fringe bang, then keep on watching. Alright, first things first with this hair. This hair felt very soft according to other AliExpress blonde hairs. So they sent me all 18 inches in a closure, but we didn't use a closure today because we are doing a bombshell ponytail. So this is fairly simple to do. I do these all the time. Y'all know I love my ponytails, but the different thing about this look is the bang. It is more razor cut than the straight bangs. So the straight bangs to me now are dead. Shoot, because I love the razor cut bang, even though we was having a hard time because his hair is so freaking thick. But I love the razor bangs. It's so sleek, chic, whatever you call it. But I love them, and instead of doing the straight across bang, I'm going to do these more often. So what my mom is doing now, she already molded my hair, and she also braided it with blonde. So she braided it with blonde braided hair only because the hair is blonde. So if you have black and you know your hair is like blowing in the wind or something like that, you'll see the black ponytail, braided hair. So you don't want to see that. So it's just blonde. And now what she's doing is basically placing the tracks to where she wants the bangs, and then she's gonna go all the way up to the top until she meets that high ponytail part. And my mom also put rubber bands on that so it could stand up. So she tries not to put rubber bands on that because sometimes it'll take out your hair. So that happened to her before, where she went to the shop and the girl put a whole bunch of rubber bands. First she burned her with the blow dryer in the middle of her head. Was kind of stinging, and then she put all those rubber bands on there, and it was like it was a circle just where the ponytail was, and it was a bald spot. So I recommend not to put that many ponytails holders on there, especially if your hair is weak just like mine. Don't put as many. So yeah, she's just placing the tracks all the way so she gets to the top of the ponytail, and then the ponytail will hide that last track. This is how the last track should look, just like that. And now what she's going to do is she's going to take her razor. She doesn't like this razor. She said it's very cheap. So if you could recommend any good razors or good shears and razors that will get the job done, let me know in the comment section below. Hairstylists out there, let me know. So she's just, it's so thick. So we really have to take our thinner shears to thin this bang out. Like, I don't know what kind of ghetto hair is this? No, just I don't know what kind of hair is this, but this seemed like some beauty supply hair. How thick it was, I was crazy. I was amazed. But that's so crazy. So yeah, she just doing her thing on the bang, and that's all she's doing. So just basically try to get it to your satisfied liking. So that's what we did, and the ponytail is like simply easy. Like, I have a detailed tutorial on how to achieve the extended ponytail. So after she does the bang, she's going to basically extend the ponytail just like I like. I have videos up, so I will probably leave an iCard or leave in the description below. But yeah, that's it, y'all. So I will let y'all watch this video so that y'all can see what she does, and I'll see you guys on the next hair tutorial.